Hello guys, well today I'm just going to be doing Sky Hive because I forgot who it was, but somebody asked me to do more Sky Hive videos. I'm pretty sure it was Dixie360 or somebody else, I don't know. I forgot already. I need to look back at my jamograms. Okay, so here I go. There's something I want to tell you guys. Well, first of all, I got a second raspberry bow. So, I watched a video and somebody got a raspberry bow in mail time from her friend. And she's like, OMG, what are those worth? She's like, I think a short rare color. She's like, oh my gosh. I'm like, then I just keep trading for spike wristbands and spikes and for short spikes and long spikes and no. I'm like, but they said it was fair. I'm like, I would accept. And I would not just accept because it was me who would be getting it because it's fair. Well, I think it's fair, at least. I wonder if I'll lose. But you guys already know that. Because you watched this video. Or is watching. Or you probably just skipped till I'm at the top. Or until I fell or something. Because I really do not know yet. Only until I get to the top or until I fall, I'll know. Then for sure I'll know, because if I fell, I knew I would fall. I mean, like have fallen or something. Unless I wasn't watching, I wouldn't see if I have fallen or not. Okay, am I just confusing myself and confusing you or something? Thunder is a nickname of my little brother. I kept having to restart because I ended up keep saying his real name. I'm like, no, Thunder. Although I didn't say Thunder, I said his real name. You need then something. You need. Oh yeah, I said no Thunder, but only his real name. And for them to hear you, you have to have my headphones on. He's like, oh, can I try them on? Then I'm like, okay, and he did a little talk. The video's called Anal Jam with Thunder. And in the description, it's description, I put Thunder as a nickname of my little brother. Please tell me I didn't put his real name in there, because I keep forgetting. And he also said, hello, I can't say my real name because I'm too young to. Then I said, no, then his real name again. Or is it Thunder? I can't remember. I don't remember. I need to watch that video again. I really do not remember. I'm trying to blink, but nothing's coming up. Come on, think. Ooh, I'm at the top. I got a freedom hat. That's actually not too bad. Come on. Okay guys, thank you for watching.